Hi, welcome to this Synamate tutorial where you'll be learning how to use conditionals on the forms. So make sure you are logged in to the dashboard. Just click on sites over here and then click on forms and click on builder. So once you click on builder, just click on add form over here and click on start from scratch, or you can choose any template, not a problem. So I would choose start from scratch. The first thing, I will rename this form. So I will click on the settings icon, click on option, and here I would rename it as like this. Done. So now what I want to have is, let's say I want to take full name, I want to just have email, I want to make full name as mandatory. And then I have some custom field built over here. Please visit our YouTube channel if you want to see how to actually build these custom fields, how to group them and organize them nicely, right? So for now what I'll do, I have this demo radio field question that I have two options here, option A and option B. I'll show you how to use those things. And not only that, from the quick add, I would add the button as well. Done. Save. So once you do that, you have to click on this thing called add conditional logic. So if you click on it, we have three things as of now: redirect to URL, display custom message, and disqualify a lead, right? Disqualifying a lead in the sense just showing them the custom message or opening the URL, anything can be possible, right? So, or if you just want to have one option, you can use these two things, and show and hide fields is something which is coming soon as I'm recording this video. Alright, so let's say I want someone to, if someone selects A and clicks on submit, or let's say I would rename it as submit, then they should go to, let's say the landing page. And whoever selects B, they should be for them, I want to show them a custom message. Let's see all of these, let's say two of these use cases. So I'll click on add conditional logic. I'll click on redirect URL if demo radio field is equal to A. Then, or you can say and or as well, right? You can have multiple conditions as well. If email is equal to, or if email contains @gmail.com or something like that, right? You can play with and or conditions as well. So I want to take them to my landing page. Done. Click on save. And then for those who select B, I want to just display them custom message. So I'll click on custom, demo radio field is equal to B. Then I would say something like this: sorry, you are not eligible, right? Let's make it bigger. Done. So I will click on save. So as you can see here, if someone selects A, it says we will be redirected to synamate.com, which is the landing page. If someone selects B, if the demo radio field is equal to B, then we have to show them, sorry, you are not eligible. So once that is done, just simply click on save, click on integrate, and click on open form link. We are just testing it out. So let me enter my email as well. So if I select A, it should take me to the landing page, right? So if I click on submit, it automatically redirects me to this landing page. So cool, right? And then if we select B, so let me just and then if I select B and click on submit, it should show me a message. So this is how you need to work with conditional logic. Please let us know if you have any questions on support@synamate.com, or you can just let us know on WhatsApp. Thank you so much.